So you might be in a situation where your Instagram account actually ended up getting disabled. Now, what does this mean? Well, essentially, maybe you logged into Instagram and you see this little tiny error like this, where it says your account has been disabled for violating our terms. And basically, your account is just disabled in general, and you see this to download your data, yada, yada, yada. Now, if you see this, you might be freaking out. It may be a different looking panel, but it's the same theory. Your account has been, disabled. Now, there's a few different ways to go ahead and fix this for the most part. The first thing is to understand that if you actually started doing like crazy behavior on TikTok, if you started spamming a lot of stuff, did anything against their terms of service or community guidelines, typically they're in the right means to go ahead and disable your account, and you're probably not going to get your account back. But if it was a mistake or whatever, well, reading Instagram's own page right here, so if we go ahead and make our way over to our Instagram page here, they basically mention that if your Instagram account was disabled, you'll see imagine whatever. Then they say if you think your account was disabled by mistake, you may be able to ask us to review the decision by opening up the app, entering your username and password, and following the on-screen instructions. So essentially what they recommend you to do is to go back into the Instagram application. So if you truly do believe it was a mistake, your Instagram probably won't even allow you to log in. So all you need to do here is just go ahead and log into your Instagram account. Go ahead and just log in as you normally would, and then you'll see a pop-up that comes up, which will basically prompt you to go ahead and say, hey, do you want us to review your account? At that point, you obviously want to click yes, and then your account will then be reviewed by Instagram. And if they deem that it was actually a mistake, well, they will go ahead and reinstate your account. But like I mentioned, if you went against their terms of service in the beginning with, and that is obviously going to cause some issues, and they're not going to reinstate your account. But if it was a mistake, then that will probably end up doing it. Now, they say if someone gained access to your account and you're able to and if you're unable to log into your account, they recommend you visiting this page, which is just going to take you to essentially a little page right here, which is just like a account, requesting Instagram support. So here you can also let them know here as well, if you make your way over to that page, essentially letting them know, hey, my account was disabled and my account was hacked, and you can pretty much get their input there as well. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.